Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and are enjoying our online sessions. So now let's quickly start with our today's session.
Today, in this session, we are going to start with lesson number 4, Foreign Lands, written by R.L. Stevenson. Now he is R.L. Stevenson. R.L. Stevenson was a Scottish novelist, poet, and a travel writer. He used to travel a lot, and whatever he liked over there, he used to write about it. His most famous books are Treasure Island, Kidnapped, A Child's Garden of Verses, and many more. A Child's Garden of Verses is a collection of poetry for children. Okay everyone, have you ever climbed a tree or a cliff? Cliff is a steep, means sharp rock face, especially at the edge of the sea. Viewing from the top, you can see the surroundings in a different way. The poem is a beautiful description of the world as seen from the top of a cherry tree by a child. Now, let's start with the reading of the poem. Let us read a poem in which a child describes the world outside the garden wall. Theme of the poem. Here, the poet talks about the dreams of a child and indirectly talks about the various stages of life. Everything is said with a doubt using the word if. Now, let's read the first stanza. Up into the cherry tree, who should climb but little me? I held, means hold, the trunk with both my hands and looked abroad in foreign lands. Now here there is a new word, abroad. Let's check the meaning. Abroad here means outside. In the first stanza, the poet talks about the ambition of a child who wants to see foreign places. After that, he climbs the cherry tree holding the trunk with his hands and looked abroad, means outside, in foreign lands. By foreign, the poet means something that is unfamiliar, means unknown. Now, let's read the second stanza. I saw the next door garden lie, adorned with flowers before my eye, and many pleasant places more that I had never seen before. Okay, everyone. Now here there is a new word, adorned. Let's check the meaning. Adorned means decorated. In the second stanza, the poet talks about when the child climbs the tree, he sees how the garden in the next door, means in the neighborhood, is adorned, means decorated with beautiful flowers, and how he could see pleasant places. Pleasant means giving a sense of happy, satisfaction or enjoyment. So he says he could see many pleasant places more, which I had never seen before. Okay, children. So, we end our today's session over here. I hope you all have understood the first two stanzas of the poem well. Now, before we end, I have a task for you all. Please complete the given task. List some of the places you have visited. I hope you all will enjoy doing this. Okay, everyone? Meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye everyone.